Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! For today's recipe, I will be cooking suman sa gata or rice cake in coconut milk. Let's start by washing the glutinous rice. Wash the rice for several times until it becomes clear. Cover the rice and let it soak for 30 minutes or until the grain of rice breakable. The banana leaves should be heated to be pliable when wrapping the cooked rice cake or suman. After heated, clean and cut on your desired size of suman. After 30 minutes, check the grain of glutinous rice if it's breakable. That's it. Proceed to the next steps. Combine in a wok the coconut cream, white sugar, light brown sugar or segunda, and salt. Mix well to dissolve the sugar and salt. After a good mix, turn on the heat and allow to simmer the mixtures. Then add the glutinous rice. Continue mixing until the liquid dried up. Cover with banana leaves until the glutinous rice cooked in low to low medium heat. After the glutinous rice cook, loosen the rice before cooling down. Please watch how I wrap every suman and do this with all the cooked glutinous rice. Here's the wrapped suman or rice cakes. Then add the coconut milk, enough to submerge all rice cakes or suman. the rice cakes or suman from 30 to 45 minutes on medium heat. After steaming, remove from the liquid all the suman or rice cakes. Here's all the yummy steamed rice cake or suman. Let me taste. Looks yummy. It's good. Good for my coco. Not too sweet. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!